Have you ever wondered why some bacteria are harmful while others are harmless? Understanding the difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria can help us make sense of this. Bacteria are tiny organisms that can be found everywhere. They are classified into two main categories: gram-positive and gram-negative. This classification is based on their cell wall structure. Let's explore how this works. First, let's talk about gram-positive bacteria. They have a thick cell wall made of peptidoglycan. This thick layer retains the crystal violet stain used in laboratory tests, turning them purple. Some common examples include streptococcus and staphylococcus. Next, we have gram-negative bacteria. Their cell wall is thinner, with an additional outer membrane. During the staining process, the crystal violet is washed away, leaving them pink when counterstained. Examples of gram-negative